Fujian Xiyun Machinery Development Company, Ltd. Automatic Facial Tissue Paper Machine Production Line. The jumbo roll paper is embossing and folding into facial tissue by the folding machine. Then the transfer system sends these long logs to the facial tissue log saw cutting machine. After cutting, facial tissue enter the automatic 3-dimension packing machine. This machine is with automatically print date and easy tear notches, final packing facial tissue into large size packs. The whole process is fully automatic, high efficiency, greatly saving labor cost. The finished products are neat, uniform and nice.